Hello YouTube, I'm MC Go 101, and in today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing of my new struts for my Acura TL. So I have a 2008 Acura TL. My rear suspension is original and it is getting a little bit worn out, so I went ahead and ordered these GSP Advantage loaded struts. I did pick these up from partsavatar.ca, so without further ado, let's crack them open and see how they look. Stoked. And just for reference, in case you need to know a part number, this GSP part is an 836313. The same part number applies for both sides, passenger and driver. Packaging is really nice. Installation instructions for our new rear struts. Beautiful. And still a nice plastic. Excellent. So this looks like a nice piece. Coil looks like it's in great shape, well built. It's got all the warning labels and tags still on it. I think this will make a great addition to my vehicle, just trying to restore factory ride quality. So yeah, packaging is very nice. Just inspecting the unit, I don't see any issues with it at all. No scratches, dings, dents, everything was packaged nicely. That is awesome. So, I do plan on doing an installation video for these struts, but that will be in a week or two's time. But yeah, if you guys need parts, Parts Avatar had what I need at the best price, and shipping was free. So hopefully this helps somebody out. If you guys need struts for your Acura TL, hit up Parts Avatar. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys next time.